What's up, everybody? It's Mark from 403 Fauna. Welcome to another WIYR Wednesday. WIYR is short for what's in your rack, and I share with you what's been going on in my rack for the past week. Now today, man, I have been sweating all day. I am receiving the most expensive snake I've ever bought, and it's been delayed, and the FedEx facility closes in 90 minutes. I just got the notification that it's landed in San Diego, so I'm hoping to get there by the end of the day and pick up what is by far the most I've spent on a snake. So if that does happen, I'll come back and share with you what I got. I'll do an unboxing. In the meanwhile, let's do some pairings and a little bit of feeding. Let's first get an update on Tigra. Tigra is now on day 38 post-ovulation shed. So she should be going any day now. And she has been just absolutely super thick. Ridge back, perfect coiled on the warm spot. So let's cross our fingers that that will come soon. First pairing tonight is going to be Patience, my Inchy clown. Let's see if we can find her under the paper here. There she is. And we are gonna pair her with Tmac, the VPIA Xanthic Fire. Let me go grab them real fast. So here goes Tmac, the VPIA Xanthic Fire. These two previously locked before, and we're gonna put them in again. Now, Patience, she continues to eat really well. And that was her first lock after introducing these two. And I completely expect her to continue eating well. And I expect another lock when I look in on them tomorrow morning. So once again, we have Tmac, the VPI Xanthic Fire, with Patience, the Inchy Clown. Shooting for those double hets, hopefully with Fire and Inchy mixed in. Now this girl Bunny, she initially locked with Paul, the ivory ball python, but I really don't want any yellow belly embers that are 50% het hypo. I want to mix more recessive genes in there. And honestly, after that, I started pairing her with my Inchy pinstripe piebald, 100% het hypo, but I've never seen a lock between the two. And this girl, hasn't eaten in a long time. It looks like she's not really building either. So what I'm gonna do is I'll try a different pairing today and hopefully see a lock tomorrow morning. So let me go grab that guy. So here we have a freshly shed Yehua. Yehua is a GHI Leopard Mojave Pastel, 100% het VPI Xanthic, 50% het piebald, but I think he's gonna prove out het piebald. He does have a little ringer there. It's kind of hard to see. I'm just gonna put him in here. This is his first ever pairing, and he's definitely up to size. He's one of my oldest males here. I'm hoping he locks up with Bunny, because yeah, there will be a lot of genes mixed in there. That will be 50% possible het VPI, and I think 50% possible het pied. And of course 50% het ghost, because Bunny is also 100% het ghost. So interesting pairing here. Look at that. He's going in there slowly. Hopefully he's interested. And we'll get a lock tomorrow morning. Fingers crossed. Next pairing that we're gonna do, we have Jules, the pastel double het VPI Xanthic puzzle. And you know what? She has moved her hide box closer to the cool side. Interesting, that's the first time I've seen her do that. She has continued to feed well. She has locked twice already with Tony, the leopard double het VPI Xanthic puzzle. So what is that, 1 in 16 chance I can get a VPI Xanthic puzzle. Kind of tough odds there, but I'll take them. You never know. I'm really hoping for some puzzles. So she's eating well, has moved to the cool side now. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab Tony and introduce him again. So here goes the big guy. I'll go ahead and put him in and talk about him. Now Tony's an absolute stud. He breeds everything I placed with him. And he's locked previously twice with Jules here. And he will be the father of that clutch coming up from Tigra. So I fully expect them to go. And we should see a lock tomorrow morning. And of course, we did some pairings. We have males with females. So we got to get the fertility statue going and our lucky gong. I'll spare you guys the flick. Okay, a little feeding here for Junebug. Now Junebug you saw previously paired with Jorel. Oh, man, naming 30 snakes is getting pretty tough. Jorel the Mojave Krypton 100% head ultramale. And Junebug here is a pastel double het ultramale ghost. So let me go grab a wrap for her and see if she'll slam it. So I've got a frozen thawed rat here on my tongs. What I like to do with frozen thawed rats is I kind of like to have them peek inside the hide and pop out, peek inside, pop out. Kind of like it's still alive and they're just checking in on the snake and slammo. Now this is just her second frozen thawed rat. Ever since she locked with Jorel, she has been going crazy for the food. I fed her on Sunday and I checked up on her Monday and she was peeking out like, feed me again. So it's Wednesday. I'll feed her twice a week as long as she'll take it for this breeding season. She's about 1,300 grams, so I expect her to pile on the weight as she continues breeding with Jorel. Guys, I really hate to do this to you, but I'm gonna have to cut the video off here. It's now about 6:30 and I'm gonna head to FedEx, and I haven't gotten the notification yet that it's ready for pickup, but it's in San Diego, so I'm gonna go over there and bug them about it. Hopefully I'll be able to pick it up. So tune in on Sunday for the full unboxing. I guarantee you'll want to see it. Let me give you a hint. It's from Fireball Reptiles. Comment below if you know what gene Fireball is best known for, and I guarantee you it's going to be part of this package. Not the only part. So I am super excited for this. So thanks for checking in, guys. Appreciate it. Have a great week. Take care.